custom audiences and smart lookalike audiences inside TikTok Ads Manager to reach the most valuable users. To do this from the dashboard, come under Tools and from the Audience section, click on Audience Manager. Once you do this, you'll find the option of creating an audience. From here, you can choose either a custom audience or a lookalike audience. Let's first begin by creating a custom audience. When you hit this button, you'll have the option of choosing an audience type, but before that, let's first look at what a custom audience really is. A custom audience is a tailored targeting feature that enables advertisers to create audiences of known or engaged users using either a file upload, such as uploading a customer file, or by engagement, or by website or app activity, or business account, or lead generation, shop activity, offline activity, all of these features. By picking one, you can choose and create an audience of targeted members or engaged users that you're already familiar with. Now, there's a requirement to have at least 1,000 total match users in custom audience before you can use it in an ad group. So I can either hit any of these options depending on which feature I want to use it with, and for now, let's hit customer file. Now, if I do this, it will ask me to define my audience and upload a file which contains all of these users that I want to include. I can also choose an audience name and whether I want to include features such as audience enhancement, which increases the total match audience size by adding more users, or by increasing region frequency. Once you do this, you can hit confirm, or you can go back and choose any of the other options. Going back, if you open any of these other options, a similar menu for these specific options will open. For example, let's go on website traffic. This allows you to tailor who all to include in your audiences, including people who have carried out which actions, whether that's going to be a page view or complete registration, add to cart, place an order, people have made a purchase, or so on and so forth. You can also choose a time duration that's going to be from 3 days up till 180 days. Then you can also choose the following pixels if you have any pre-installed ones. Lastly, you have your URL and the parameters you want to add. At the bottom, you have your audience settings, where you can define your audience name and choose features from auto refresh, and the ones we have discussed before, audience enhancement and region frequency. Once you're done, you can hit confirm. An example of this could be a fitness coach who creates a custom audience of users who signed up for free workouts via the app, and this will be ideal for upselling ads. Let's now look at creating a lookalike audience. To do this, hit the Create Audience button and hit Lookalike Audience. Now we can start configuring the options beginning with the source. From the source, you can either choose an existing custom audience or create a new custom audience like we've seen already. Once this is done, you have the Contain Source option where you can either choose Contain to include original users or Omit to exclude them. Then you have the Platform where you can choose either all or Android or iOS. Next, you have Placement and Location. These help you select some placement or source region for best targeting efficiency. In placement, you have TikTok and Pangle, and in location, you'll have all of the regions and countries available. And lastly, you can choose your audience name and then click Confirm. This is created once you've chosen your audience name, click Confirm. Or Confirm Value Algorithm. Once you create this, you'll have to initially wait as targeting becomes available in 40 to 60 minutes, while full refresh happens 24 hours later. A great example for using this will be a SaaS brand which uses high-value customer email list as a source, then launches a balanced lookalike campaign targeting business professionals in key markets. This is about creating custom and lookalike audiences. See you in the next lesson.